Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. So let's play a game and I want you guys to guess the dish I'm going to cook today. So here's the hint. Today I shall be as useful as the G in lasagna. One more hint. How am I going to live, laugh, lasagna in these conditions? Okay, I know you got the hint. So today we are going to make an amazing vegan lasagna, guys. So how many of you have heard the beautiful quote, once again my life has been saved by a miracle of lasagna? So there is a lot of chop today because of the amount of vegetables we're going to chop. So let's dive straight into chopping. Chop. Now we'll place about 4 tomatoes in a bowl and pour some hot water on it. We will leave the tomatoes in the hot water for 10 minutes for them to blister. All the vegetables are chopped and ready, and so we can start making the sauce. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are amazing for digestion and they add an amazing flavor to all your dishes. 1 cup of chopped onions, a tablespoon of grated ginger garlic, add a cup of carrots, add a cup of celery, a cup of potatoes, a cup of capsicum or red peppers, finally the chopped aubergine or eggplant. Give it a nice mix. At this point, add a block of butter. Now close the lid and simmer for 10 minutes. The vegetables are cooked halfway. At this point, we'll add some masalas. I'm adding 1 star anise and 2 bay leaves. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a tablespoon of coriander powder. A cup of cashew nuts, bunch of arugula leaves, a tad bit salt, lime juice, a squeeze of lime, agave syrup to balance the flavors. Our arugula and cashew nut ricotta is ready now. It's perfect, yeah, exactly how I wanted it. There you go, guys, our ricotta is perfectly ready. The vegetables layer is simmering right now and we can start with the protein layer, that is this moong dal. So let's go ahead and prepare that now. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, about 2 cups of soaked lettuce, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper powder, 1 squeeze of lime juice. And now the protein layer is ready. We have the 3 components ready. So let's start layering the lasagna. So first up, we're going to take the vegetables and the tomato sauce layer and spread it like this. This is the plant-based semolina or pasta sheet. You're going to break these up to whatever size you want and just place it like this. And then we're going to put this beautiful ricotta. Spread this evenly. Add another layer of the pasta sheet like this. Now we'll add the green grams and the spinach layer. This is the protein layer that I've picked for this lasagna. Green gram has an amazing amount of protein. It's very tasty. So there you go, guys. Our lasagna is ready to go inside the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Cover it with a foil and into the oven. Time to get the lasagna out. So let's see how it's turned out. The lasagna looks yummalicious. I will let it rest for 20 minutes and we'll get back. And then we will dig straight in to get a bite. Let's get a piece out. This just cuts through like butter, guys. So perfectly cooked for sure. Yes, a beautiful piece of lasagna that I just cut. Tasting time. The lasagna is perfectly cooked. It's amazing. It's a great dish, no doubt. I can taste all the layers and every layer has a different flavor, so it is beautiful. The pasta sheets are perfectly cooked. It's tasting amazing. My today's 2 cents is on family bonding during festivals. And why is it so important, right? Firstly, festivals bring families together and it strengthens the bond through various activities like cooking, crafting, and honoring traditions, which create lasting memories, fostering cultural identity, and boosting emotional well-being by offering quality time. Finally, promoting love, unity, and sense of belonging across generations. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful reason for families to gather during the festivals? On that note, until I see you guys on my next video on Saturday at 9 a.m. PST, have a great week and enjoy. Bye.